What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. We are back in my 2006 Nissan 350Z Rev Up, and we actually have some more insane news in the car community regarding the 400Z. If you saw the title of this video, you already know what we're talking about today. So the brand new 400Z was actually spotted at a port here in Los Angeles. This is actually pretty insane because I feel like just like 2 weeks ago we were getting like horsepower leaks, and then not even a few months ago we were getting the car unveiled to us. So it's just pretty interesting how fast this is going. I'm not complaining. I'm super excited for this car to hit the streets because I just think it's going to be a great, next generation to the Z lineup. Not saying the 370Z was bad or anything, but I just think it was time. I just feel like it was time for something new. So anyways, if you guys haven't been keeping up with the last few videos I've made of the new 400Z or Nissan Z Proto, whatever you guys want to call it. So the car is actually said to have a 3-liter twin turbo V6 from the Infiniti Q60 and Q50. The Red Sport specifically. In those cars, it makes about 400 horsepower. So with twin turbos, I would not be surprised if Nissan tunes this thing up to around 440 horsepower. The leaked numbers we got last week hinted at around 440 horsepower. Whether that's accurate or not, I definitely think it's going to be over 400 horsepower, which is going to be great. And it comes with a manual transmission. So, I'm excited. I'm just excited, okay? So that's kind of like where we're at. Jumping back to today, just a few days ago, the brand new 400Z was actually spotted in Los Angeles at one of the ports. In the video, you can hear him say that this is not the very first one that they've gotten. He said this is the second one they received. This one in the video, it's silver or kind of like a graphite color. So this one was actually automatic in the video, which is kind of interesting. There's been like different speculation as to what transmission this is going to be. A lot of people are saying they're going to maintain the 7-speed transmission from the 370Z. Personally, I don't know if they're going to do this because if you look back a few months ago, they just released the brand new Nissan Frontier and Nissan Pathfinder. Both of those vehicles actually have the brand new Jatco 9-speed transmission. So if they put the 9-speed transmission into this car, I definitely think that would be the right thing to do. Kind of like the modern thing to do. I know a lot of cars these days have 9-speed transmissions, so it wouldn't be like something brand new to the car industry. So I definitely think they're going to do something like that. And if they do keep the transmission from the 370Z, that won't be too bad. I would like to see, an updated version of it though, maybe something a little quicker, but we'll just have to see what happens. So this car also has paddle shifters on the steering wheel, which is pretty cool. So there's kind of a few things on the exterior I wanted to talk about. So if you look at the back of this 400Z, there's kind of like this rear lip on the back of it. And I read an article where they said it kind of looked like an afterthought. I think it looks really good. There's tons of lips that look just like this for the 370Z and the 350Z, and it's a factory option, so I think that's pretty cool. I'm excited to see how many different trim levels they basically offer with this car. I'm curious to know what trim level this one is, because if you look at like the brake calipers and like the wheels, this one has black wheels instead of in the press release version of the 400Z we got silver wheels. I think the black wheels look really good on this graphite color. And then if you look, there's like red brake calipers, and I don't know if these are Brembos, you can't really tell in the video, but I do think they're going to release a version of the 400Z with some Brembos, whether it's going to be the performance trim or like the Nismo version. I'm pretty sure the Nismo version will have some sort of Brembo brakes, but as far as the performance version, I'm not quite sure. So that's pretty much it. The last thing I did want to talk about is I don't think this is the very first time we've actually seen a different color 400Z in the wild. I'll put a picture up right here. About a month and a half ago, during the Next Experience unveiling of the new Pathfinder and the new Frontier, this was actually in the background of the unveiling video. Someone with like eagle eyes spotted this and took a screenshot of it, and I found it in an article online about a month ago. I didn't even actually hear about this, so pretty interesting. The things you find out, even a month later, pretty cool. But all right, guys, so that's basically all I have for you. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. I make videos like this all the time, and I'll be updating you on the 400Z information every chance I get. I'm also working and documenting the entire process of sanding and painting my Nissan 350Z. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my future videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.